BBAI stock analysis and BBAI stock prediction. In this 1 minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do in trade. Look, I'm the only guy in this page that's done 43,000 videos over 5 years. It's taken me 5 years and tens of thousands of dollars of my money on courses and mentors, but at least I've seen what's printing and what's not. And no one else has done it. No one else has 43,000 videos like this. And especially with BBAI, bro, I like it so much because I really was just buying the crap out of this thing. Like, we're 364 at the time, a month ago. They're so sick. Then now we're here. The only thing that I will care further from here on is that, you know, my most recent prediction was also called out. It just gapped up today, but from this point onward, it's just the same thing. We have my demand zone. And so only if I see a double break, only then I'm willing to take it further up. You know what I mean? So it's obviously not financial advice. All I'm doing in the meantime here is I'm waiting. And that's exactly how, yeah, like I do have 70 results in the disc and all that good jazz. But if you want my exact approach formula plus the Discord, just click the first link in the description, risk free. To 100 people already tried it.